Here's the dog. He's about to go into the treasure chest of ice. Gold. It's on this bad spot. Yummy. How long will it take them to eat the whole chest?
We're going to use this ice later to put into drinks to serve
people.
people.
We'll show them the video afterwards. I'll take my ice over here.
You just clean the carpet. Yeah.
Leave it there. He'll go eat it. Oh, it's different on this side. I don't let anything go to waste.
What is that, Theo? Got you some ice? Get out of my way. Ooh,